Adding a custom look to the rear end of your Super Duty is easy with a set of Recon LED taillights. Install can be completed in about 30 minutes and only basic hand tools are required. Remove the 2 set screws in the taillight and then the taillight can be pulled from the bed. Pull out the 2 sockets and remove the brake light bulb, but leave in the reverse light. Plug in the connection on the Recon light for the LED brake lights and test them before you continue with the install further. Twist in the brake light socket after confirming it works, then twist the reverse light into its socket. Push the new taillight into the bed and replace the 2 screws, completing the install of Recon's LED taillights.